Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to clear your credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the security. Now let's scroll down again and tap on encryption and credentials, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so just clear credentials option. So let's tap and of course confirm it with OK. As you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully because we cannot again tap on this option, which as I said simply means that we just removed credentials. And be aware that after picking this option, if you want to clear the credentials, your device probably will ask you to enter the screen lock, the current screen lock, in order to confirm. So actually, this is it. This is how to remove credentials, remove certificates in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.